Kaunti ma Tana River medo yudo pek kalure kod Koth El Nino makoro oyuero thoth gwenge makono. Gavana ma kaunti no Dada Godano wacho ni atamalo maduong' mar kaunti no sani nie bwo pi koting'o apeyni ma koth oketho omiyo giyudo pek yudo chiemb kony michwalo negi. Wacho ni apaya maduong' mag bombe mag Hola, Bura, Ijara kod Garissa sani okethore ma ok kalre ma omiyo johala gi jodak pek johala gi jodak kono pek mag wuotho kag manyo kaka ginyalo konyore e kaunti no.
We are actually getting overwhelmed 2 weeks after the rains began because now almost the whole of Tana is affected. We have a very big population, of course, displaced, so we have so many IDP camps all over. What we are happy a bit that now we received money today. Actually, disbursement has been done today. Around the 10 billion money the government is talking about. What we have gotten as a county is 557 million, which we have to use in the different vote heads, including emergency pay the DRM contractors and the rest of them. What we are now paying for emergency is 32 million. That's what we have in the system. Even if we say we are expanding it, then it means the more we expand, we are exhausting. We cannot be able to react to anything after we exhaust. So probably now up to early December or up to December, we can be able to react to this situation.
Barabara zote kuingia Tana River kwa jumla zote saizi hazifikiki. Mlisikia vile zungumzo kwamba barabara imekatika, na hofu zaidi ambayo tuko nayo saizi ni kuhusu vyakula kuingia.
Na pia we are appealing to the national government na well wishers waje hapa tuungane mikono tuweze kusaidia wale watu ambao wako huko ambao wameathirika na mafuriko.
Jatani Pinye William Ruto